Alright guys, this is VoiceOvaGuy. Welcome to the game I played a really long time ago and I was like 14 to 16, but it got re-released on the PC and I'm playing it again because it's one of my all-time favorite, especially Resident Evil games, Resident Evil 4. Alright. Today was my first and probably only last school day of the entire year, or snow day from college.
I'll never forget it. It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains.
Those grisly
Soon
murders.
after, the news was out to the whole world, revealing that it was the fault of a secret viral experiment conducted by the international pharmaceutical enterprise.
Of course. Umbrella.
The virus broke out in a nearby mountain community, Raccoon City, and hit the peaceful little town with a devastating blow crippling its very foundation.
Whoa, like the first Resident Evil movie? What?
Not taking any chances, the President of the United States ordered a contingency plan to sterilize Raccoon City.
You can't just nuke a
The
city.
affair gone public.
Okay, you can.
The United States government issued an indefinite suspension of business decree to Umbrella.
Yeah, okay.
Soon its stock prices crashed, and for all intents and purposes,
That's like telling a zombie
Umbrella
to stop eating
was
people.
finished.
Telling Umbrella to shut down. Their goal is like to destroy the world. Resident Evil 4. Even though this one specifically doesn't really have much to do with
since
Umbrella.
that horrendous incident.
Poor Leon, man. I mean, I already know what's gonna happen.
I received special training via a
Let's let the
secret
videos play
organization working under the direct control of the president. I was to assume the responsibility of protecting the new president's family.
If you've never played this game or seen it before, it's amazing.
Who are you really? Come on and tell us.
Only problem is that you can't move and aim and
You
shoot
are
and
a
reload.
long way from home, cowboy.
Hey,
You have my sympathies.
Guess that's a local's way of breaking the ice.
I didn't ask for
Anyway,
your
you know what this
sympathies,
is
you
all
piece of
about.
shit.
My assignment is to search for the president's missing daughter.
What? All by yourself?
The boys didn't just tag along so we could sing Kumbaya together at some Boy Scout bonfire. Then again, maybe you did.
Oh, you crazy American. It's a direct order from the chief himself. I tell you, it's no picnic.
I'm counting on you guys.
Ah, yes, us in our typical European accent that we don't know where we are from. Yes, of course. Oh, Forza. Better watch
It was
out.
right before I was to take on my duties of protecting the president's daughter when she was abducted.
Yeah, taking a
That's the
leak.
ultimate reason I'm in
Doesn't
this
even walk more than 2 feet from the damn car.
According to our intelligence, there's reliable
Oh,
information
yeah. Are you
about a
gonna
son
turn
of a
down
girl
to
that looks
SIG?
Very similar to the
Oh,
president's
everyone
daughter.
takes to SIG.
Apparently, she's being withheld by some unidentified group of people. Who would have thought that my first job would have been a
Policia. Wherever they are, they write their Spanish, or they write their police names in
Freezing.
Spanish.
So cold all of a sudden.
What's gonna happen?
Must be my imagination.
Oh yeah. Just like the guy in Skyrim that thought someone shot an arrow into his
Sorry it
eyeball.
took so long.
Oh, it's probably just my imagination. It's like there's an arrow sticking out of my eye. Ooh, nothing happened yet. So I think I'm gonna try to do like some funny voices in this video, maybe. In this series. Because Leon is just, he doesn't talk much, he's a bro. He doesn't just like constantly talk while you're walking around.
Just up ahead is the village.
So it's so easy to just be like, oh my god, Leon,
We'll stay and watch
you know your hair is just so
Don't want to
wavy
get
and
parking tickets.
flapping in front of your
Right.
face, even though there's no
Parking
wind.
tickets.
Good luck.
Wow, this guy looks like shit. It looks like outside right now here. Except it's winter.
Did you say something?
Yeah, said fuck off.
Leon,
Oh,
I hope
yeah.
you can hear me.
Come in,
I'm
Hunnigan.
Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll be your support on this mission.
Loud and clear.
Somehow I thought you'd be a little older. So the subject's name's Ashley Graham, right?
That's right. She's the daughter of the president.
I'm gonna
So try
ravage
to
that
behave
girl
yourself,
one
okay?
day.
Whoever this group is, they sure picked the wrong girl to kidnap.
Pardon me while
I'll
I
try to
blow my
find some more
nose.
information on my end.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
Burn, burn, burn. Alright then, guys, I'll just be out of here and I'll be back in a second. Don't you just be doing nothing strange while I begin. Oh wait, what's over here? Nothing? Of course. Someone's watching me. Who's watching me? Hello? There are various small items on the shelf. Nothing particularly unusual. Excuse me, we just got lost.
Excuse me. Sir?
This is gonna sound really weird, but can I borrow some rainbow pancakes? I know, you probably don't have any laying around, but just tell me where I could find them, maybe? They kind of look like this girl in this picture here.
I was wondering if you might recognize the girl in this photograph.
Yeah, rainbow pancake.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? Lárgate, cabrón!
Oh, I see.
Sorry to
We're
apologize.
not gonna speak English. Okay. Well, someone's gonna get shot in the face. Just saying. Don't blame me, because I can do awesome sweet rolls and stuff.
I said freeze!
That's the rainbow pancakes! What you gonna do, you silly little silly snickerdoodle? You did. Uh-oh, that truck I was looking at earlier. Oh no, no wonder I was looking at it earlier. Ah! Oh no, and there's bros outside. Oh, NASCAR. I hear NASCAR. Oh. Oh, NASCAR just went wrong. Shit. Oh, shit.
Is everything okay?
There was a hostile
We're
local.
fine.
I had no choice but to neutralize him.
There's only
There's still others surrounding the
there's
area.
only some crazy people
Get out of there
outside,
and head
and
toward
the
the
vehicle
village.
just died, and
Whatever
I'm
measures
alone.
necessary to
And I'm
save the
scared,
subject.
honey.
Understood.
Oh yeah? So let's open this door then. Oh, more birds! They must be pressing against it from the other side. Oh no. Ah, Fanania!
Te voy a hacer picadillo. Empieza a rezar.
There we go. Ooh. Got me some herbs already. I will be back in there in just a second. It's like trading ammo for things, usually. Unless you get more ammo. Oh, that's a hand grenade. Oh, here's your puppy. Oh, poor puppies. You're bleeding at a part of your leg that's not even in the clamp. Oh, but he's okay, puppies. Okay, now back to stuff. Back to save. Save and break some boxes. Points, and herbs, and ammo, and saving. I love the save music in this game. It's so peaceful, but yet ominous at the same time because of the game that it's in. Okie dokie then. I wonder if this beginning is foreshadowing that this game is gonna have a lot of death.
Un forastero!
Un forastero? I'm not full of steros. Watch yourself, mister. I don't take no bullshit from you. You and your John Proctor friends. There goes another snowplow out my window because of how just terrible it's gonna be blizzarding outside soon, which is why school was canceled in the first place. Bum bum bum. Which one did I hit in the head? I think it was him. Oh, you both running? Bullshit. Ah! Stop running! Don't look at me like that with them eyes. Look at me like I should forgive you. Like you ain't a spawn from hell. Oh, he can hear. Oh, there's no sex discrimination, huh? Well, that's good. I'm glad that everybody gets to die equally. That's always nice.
Un forastero! ¡Avisad a los demás!
Oh, he's coming, guys. We better go tell everyone at the village. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. I don't remember most of this game, but I remember some parts, like this little dickhead. Yeah. Ugh, someone must be out there shooting me in my face. That makes sense. Points are used later on to upgrade your weapon and stuff, so everyone's like, oh my god, what are all these points things you're getting? What are they used for? Upgrading my weapons, and buying new ones. So that's why I'm going to try to make sure I get all of them. As many as I can, anyways. I want to try to get the free shotgun here, but it's really hard. I haven't done it in a while.
How you holding up?
Bad
Bitch!
Sorry
Everyone
to
be
hear that.
dead and
I'm
people
sending
try and
those
kill
guys
me
back
make me
home.
dead too.
Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
I don't need no manual, girl. I know them buttons and stuff. Okay. Reload and press R when you holding out your weapon. Ooh, kicks. Approaching enemies that are either stunned or on their... Oh yeah, that's why you shoot them in the face, so you can kick them. Right, what button is that to kick? Approaching enemies that are either stunned or on their knees will allow Leon to perform kicks as prompted by the action button. Oh, the action button, okay. Changing inventory screens. Use page up and insert to switch back and forth between weapons. Recovery items and treasure screens. Okie dokie then. Okie dokie schmokie. Now, which house was it that had the extra event in it? Oh, now you just go to hell right now. I kind of wish I was in that video. In a Barbie world. That's what plays here instead of the usual bellings. Okay. Good. We're good. We'll go this way. Unfortunately, there's no easy, fast way to kill these guys. I believe it's this house right here. Shut the fuck up. I'm going in your house. Oh yeah, right, door's automatically closed behind me. Shit. Better jack in this house. Yeah, you been action button. Tell me that's enough. Please tell me that's enough. Of course it's not enough. Uh-oh. Gonna kick you, bitch. Really, that's not enough. Oh, shit. There's ammo here. Bitch, please! I jump right through you. Okay, it wasn't that house. On to the next house. This is all a timed thing. It's crazy. It's this house.
No dejes que se escape.
Oh yeah, get the truss, whatever that is. The truss is gonna help. It is too.
What are they planning?
This is my favorite guy. Oh, so he already blocks the door in the cutscene. Alright, sweet. And then the ladder. Come here. It's time to play.
Te voy a hacer picadillo.
This out of there. Grab this. And this. This. Shotgun shells. Beautiful. Well, excuse me, brothers. Ah! Shit. Pain. Let's see. Menu button, I believe, is tab. Excuse me. Oh shit. Ah! Son of a bitch, stop cutting me out.
Te voy a hacer picadillo.
¡Está en la trampa!
No, fuck yourself.
Detrás de ti, imbécil. Detrás de ti.
Oh, balls. Oh, they're gonna try to burn me out. That's just great. Well, can't say I expect to live if I jump down here, but I can't just stay here and burn to death. Oh, thank God. Oh, that part used to give me such a hassle. Tenemos que irnos. Oh, it's the bell of mercy, or so you think. Yes.
Lord Sattler.
Sadler, important person need go now. Whoa, it's like I got a free shotgun. And my jacket's awesome.
Bingo?
Bingo. Resident Evil 4. It begins with a ring.
Hunnigan, I have some bad news. I've confirmed the body of an officer. Something's happened to the people here.
Leon, you need to get out of there.
They're fabulous.
Look for a tower and follow the trail near it.
Got it.
Yeah, I got it, girl. Just gotta check all these houses first. Isn't there an easier way to switch between weapons? No, actually, I don't think there is. I have to double check and make sure that I got everything. See, missed some ammo. In this game, everything you can get is worth it. See if I can move this back again. There should also be some plants probably around here, some herbs. Ugh. Oh, the cow. Ah. I knew there was at least one plant sitting around here. Cow scared me for a sec. See if there's anything other wrong with the cow. There's a box. Yes! You mix green herbs with red or yellow herbs and it gives you special effects. I believe when you mix with the red, it automatically gives you back all your health, and when you mix it with the yellow, it gives you back some of the health, and then it actually increases your maximum total health. Which is sweet. Ooh. There's a box in this too. Space too. Here's you. I should probably make sure it increases your maximum health and restores health by a small degree. Yep, that's what I thought. Boom. Alright. I should do this too. I tried putting my microphone up somewhere where it wouldn't pick up all my keyboard hits. Hopefully it's working slightly better so that the video is not boom, 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 like the entire time that I'm hitting all the buttons I have to press to actually play this damn game. I think I've probably looted enough. This will probably be the last house, and then I'll get on my way, because I think this is the right path. Alright. Recently, I keep skipping pages. Recently, there has been information that a United States government agent is here investigating the village. Do not let this American agent get in contact with the prisoner. For those of you not yet informed, the prisoner is being held in an old house beyond the farm. We will transfer the prisoner to a more secure location in the valley when we are ready. The prisoner is to stay there until further notice. Meanwhile, do not let the American agent near the prisoner. We do not know how the American government found out about our village, but we are investigating. However, I feel that this intrusion at this particular time is not just a coincidence. I sense a third party other than the United States government involved here. My fellow men, stay alert. Chief Bitors Mendez. Okay, so I'm supposed to be going towards a tower. On second thought, maybe this isn't it. And I still want to know what the hell that is, but I don't know how to get up there. Is there a ladder? Oh, there it is. Scaffolding. Got it. Ooh, in a box. Ooh, piece of box. Ooh, red herb. Worth. This game has scared the living balls out of me so many times. But I love this game. Okay, so I was supposed to head in the direction of a tower. I wonder if it means that tower. And I was going down the right way. I don't know, I haven't played this game in forever. I'll give it a shot. Either the door will open or it won't. And there is a sign right there. Probably I'm supposed to go this way. La 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 la. I'm probably gonna play until I hit the next save spot. I'll just probably go by save spots. I wonder if I could get around him without making enough noise to alert them. Oh god! Well, don't look at me like that. I'm conserving ammo. And then I miss. Hi, cow. Oh, there's an egg. At least the one good thing about zombies in this game is that they always tell you when they're around because they're like, ah, I'm just yelling shit all the time. Okay. I have to waste 15 ammo on these things? That's BS. Oh, typewriter. About blue medallions. 15 blue medallions. 7 in the farm, 8 in the cemetery. For those of you who destroy 10 or more will be rewarded. And the rest is illegible. Is that? Oh, it is. Yes, ignore your own chickens. And I run up and I go down and I just step There we go. Oh, well, there's more. Where's he at? Oh. Come on, Johnny Depp. Man, like, all these guys here have been completely worthless. They haven't given me anything. These barrels aren't helping much either. Oop. There's also this. Oh, nice. See what's up here. Some handgun ammo. Oh. Eh. There's 8 on the farm. No, 7 on the farm, 8 in the cemetery. That's 4. I feel like there's another mechanism I have to use to put that away. Well, I think that's good for now. Save here after I break open this barrel. Grab some shotgun shells. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Probably be playing more because I have this game now and it's a lot of fun and I really like this game. So, yeah. Have a great day, guys.